If you build it, they will come is not a winning strategy for freelancers. Doing great work and having a portfolio site are both necessary but not sufficient if you actually want to get paid for your work. In addition to following the best practices of setting up your portfolio, building professional social media profiles, and positioning yourself correctly, you need to get leads and turn those leads into clients, ideally with a repeatable system that is effective and doesn't make you feel like you're selling used cars. Lucky for you, I know how to do those things and put together a course that shows you step by step in excruciating detail how to identify leads, how to learn as much as you can about them, how to contact them in a friendly way, and how to give yourself the best chance of getting booked. We have packed this course full of as much information as we possibly could about the art and science of getting booked. I've refined and used this system for over a decade, both as a freelancer and as a business owner. I literally wrote a book about this process, and in this course, you get to see that system in action. You will learn where and how to find an enormous number of potential clients, how to focus in on the right people at companies that you'd like to work with, how to do your homework so that when you do reach out, you know who you're talking to, how to use copywriting to craft effective emails to people that you've never met before, how to build rapport with your clients in a natural, friendly way, how to establish trust so clients view you as a professional who knows what they're doing, and a heck of a lot more. We interviewed successful freelancers, producers, and studio owners for this course. We have packed this course full of as much information as we possibly could about the art and science of getting booked, and we really hope that it helps you land the clients of your dreams.